ready to head to the airport from Washington, D.C. all the way over to Denver, Colorado. It's our family vacation and I'm super excited. Hello from Denver, Colorado. We got here last night at midnight and we stayed at the airport in a Westin resort. It's really fancy. We got really good breakfast this morning. So right now we are leaving and heading to Garden of the Gods. It's like an hour drive away from here.
Over the hill, the flannel covered trees. I wag my tail until the rooftops disappear. Under the sound of stars and fish for dreams that never come, but like the rain, they start to heal.
Next stop is Pikes Peak. I think I might die up here of, what's it called, hypothermia. It's a bit chilly, just a bit. We're at the top of Pikes Peak.
I hiked out of my car to take a picture of Pikes Peak.
So it's day 2 of the trip and right now I'm headed to breakfast, but then after we are going to whitewater rafting.
Fajitas, and they're delicious.
We just had lunch and we're about to go back out onto the Arkansas River to do 3 more miles of rafting. We had fajitas for lunch and
She's freezing.
I'm cold.
Cal, what did you think about this trip?
It's fun.
Cal, tell the whole world what you said about the trip when I told you we were going.
I'm good.
Kenzie, you can tell the world.
Cal didn't want to go because he thought it would be boring.
And now he's got to eat crow.
So this first one, side L, we're running forward 2, keep going, hit this way, stop, right side 1, hit this way, there, and we're going to try to give a little support. Let's watch this boat come through. This is the rapid that flips for most people. Yeah. One more, hit it.
So we just got back from our whitewater rafting trip. We whitewater rafted 13 miles down the Arkansas River, and now we are getting to our cabin that we're going to spend the night in. His name is Yale. See? Taking a hike on these train tracks that haven't been run on since 1993.
Good morning. We are still in Buena Vista, Colorado, and I'm out for a morning walk. I just got done with my run, and today we go on an adventure course.
Okay.
There you go. Keep going till you can't stop. You good to go? Yeah. Oh, ho, ho.
Hey, Patrick.
Yeah,
How's lunch?
that's awesome.
Kenzie, how's lunch?
What we got here for lunch?
Well, we got a wonderful beef lamb gyro mixture here. We got a wonderful homemade tzatziki sauce and the fixings to come along with it. We just got done with the glorious via ferrata. We got 6 more zip lines to go. We're gonna send it.
We went on a via ferrata trip, like an aerial adventure. We went ziplining and rappelling, climbing, hiking, and a high ropes course. It was a lot of fun, and now we're heading to Breckenridge for the night. It's time to eat some crepes. We got crepes. Good morning. We are in Frisco right now, and we just got breakfast from Bread and Salt, and we're about to head out to the mountains, and we are going to hike a 14er today called Grays, and if we feel good, we might hike Torrey's, which is another 14,000 feet mountain. How's it? Good.
The hike has commenced.
Hardest hike I've ever done. We're at an hour and a half, and
coming. We left at 9 and I got here at 11:30, so 2.5 hours, but it was worth it. The view is amazing.
So the boys just left and Mom and I are about to hike up the next summit. Mom, you made it.
I made it.
So Mom and I made it to the top of Torrey's. Gray's is right here. Dad and Cal headed down to the bottom, but I thought this was easier than Gray's. The view is still amazing. I think this is the scariest part of the whole trip.
Wall or something.
Put it on the wall.
Yeah, put it on the wall.
Okay. Either side or?
Sure.
Okay. I just want to say I helped.
Ooh, I don't. Ooh, okay.
No?
I don't know about that. The whole wall is just.
Okay, what'd I do?
6 hours and 25 minutes later, we have made it back to where we started.
Alright guys, we're heading to the Colorado Rockies game, and it's going to be like number 11 on my list to go for games to go to, and yeah, let's go.
Our transportation for the evening.
Alright, thanks so much.
Alright guys, we're here early for BP, and maybe I can get a ball or two.
So the purple line of seats shows where Denver is a mile above sea level. We are back home from Colorado. I wish we could have stayed longer, but hopefully we'll get to go back soon and explore more of the state. See you next time!